Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by picking your quote and where it will live. A note app, an image, or a widget app are the fastest options. Tap to copy the exact text, then decide font size and background so legibility is clear, contrast matters. Once you have the text, open the app that creates home screen content and grant any permission it asks for. This saves time later. Make sure your device is unlocked and responsive, and keep the quote source ready for the next step. Now you'll make the quote into a visual element. Paste the text into an editor or the widget creator, then pick a readable font and center or left align based on your layout. Set the canvas or widget size to match your screen ratio. Most phones are 16:9 or similar, and export as a PNG if using an image. If you use a widget app, choose the widget size, pick a style, and set refresh options so the quote can rotate. This ensures the final asset fits perfectly. Finish by adding the asset to your home screen. Long press the wallpaper area, tap Add Widget for configured widgets, or add an image shortcut if supported. Position and resize until spacing looks balanced, and test any tap actions or live updates to confirm behavior. If the quote doesn't show, make sure the app has storage and widget permissions, reboot the device if needed, and re-export the PNG at the correct resolution. One troubleshooting tip: reinstall the widget app only after rechecking permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.